Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Surabhi. So as you can see from the title that today I'm going to share my Nykaa and Amazon haul with you all. This is the stuff that I'm gonna show you. It's not too much but not too less also. There are few things that I have ordered for the very first time and I like them actually very much. So yeah, that's it. So let's start with the haul. Okay, so here are the things that I am going to share with you all. So let's start with the Amazon haul first. I ordered only 3 things from Amazon, and the very first thing is this, and this is one of those products that I loved using. So this is the Nykaa K Pure Lip Oil with jojoba oil, argan oil and vitamin E oil. Since the day I have received this item, I have been using it continuously, and believe me, this is such a great product. I use it almost twice or thrice a day, just after taking a bath, in evening and even before sleeping. I simply use this on my lips and the results are pretty amazing. It heals your dry and chapped lips if you have any. So in this season, as winter is around the corner, so if you have very dry or chapped lips, do give it a try. It comes in, I guess, in different variants, and this one is the strawberry variant. Yeah, so this is the strawberry variant, but the thing is, whatever variant you are going to order, it is actually transparent. So this is the applicator. So it is lip oil which also works as gloss. So what you can do, you can apply it before applying your lipstick, especially matte ones, and even after applying your lipstick you can use it as a gloss, or if you're simply applying this, only this on your lips, you're good to go. Like, it looks very pretty, it gives that sort of a very beautiful shine to your lips. So I am loving this product, and if you have dry lips, please do give it a try. And I got this product from Amazon, and this was for rupees 257. So this was on discount. I guess the actual price, it's somewhere around 399 or 398, and this was on discount, so I got it for 257 rupees. So the second thing that I ordered from Amazon is this Vaseline body lotion. It is the Intensive Care Deep Restore with pure oat extract. So I have dry skin, I need moisturizer as much as possible, especially in this season. So that is the reason that I ordered this, and this is 400 ml and the price was 210 rupees. This is not the actual price, I got it on discount, so I got it for 210 rupees. So this is the third and final item I ordered from Amazon. This is the Nivea hand cream. This is in the variant glycerin and beeswax. So this comes in different variants. I ordered especially the glycerin one just because it is good for my skin, especially, I would say, just because I have very dry skin, and of course, as we all are frequently using sanitizers and washing our hands again and again, this thing is actually very important to keep your hands hydrated and moist. So that is the reason I ordered this particular variant, and for this variant only the minimum order quantity was 2, and that is the reason I got these 2 tubes. So the price for this Nivea hand cream was 76 rupees. So I guess each costed me 76 rupees. So there's that. So the very first thing that I ordered from Nykaa is this. This is the Kaya Derma Naturals Seaweed and Polyglumatic Acid Skin Hydrating Night Mask. So you can either call it a night mask or a sleeping mask, and the reason I ordered it, of course, is because I have dry skin and this is the changing weather again, and my skin needs as much hydration as possible, and it has a gel consistency. It is actually a gel, and it glides on your skin very nicely, very smoothly, and it actually hydrates your skin. I'm loving this product. I have used this 3 times and you can see the quantity. It's still like full, almost full. So of course you need a very little amount and simply just glide it on your face, and there are 2 ways in which you can use it, which are written over here on this tub only. So for instant application, what you can do, just apply a thick layer of this product on your face and keep it for 20 minutes or 30 minutes as you wish. And the other way is you can keep it overnight, have a very thin layer on your face, massage it with the help of your fingertips and keep it on your face overnight. So I don't usually keep it overnight, I simply keep it on my face for an hour or so. After my night routine, what I do after cleansing my face, I apply this straight away and I keep it for 1 hour, and then I again wash it off and apply my moisturizer and facial oil, which I usually use before going to sleep. And the next morning my skin feels very hydrated, nourished and glowy as well. So that is why this is the thing which I'm loving a lot. The quantity which you get is 50 grams and I get this product, the original MRP is 299, and let's see for how much I got this product. I got it for 254 rupees. So I think 50 grams of product which actually works on your skin, paying 254 rupees is worth the price. Okay, so yeah, this is the first thing which I got from Nykaa. And one more thing, I guess Kaya Derma Naturals, it has some other variants also in the same night mask, so you can check those out also as per your skin requirements, as per whichever fulfills your purpose actually. So that's that. So this is the next product which I did not order, but because I think I ordered the other product from Kaya. This is the cleanser, this is the Kaya cleanser which I got for free. This is the Brightening Beads cleanser. And it says that it is for all skin types with AHA, vitamin B3 and E. I have not used it yet, but I am thinking of using it as soon as possible, and only then I'll be able to tell you how it works on my skin, dry skin. Okay, so this is the thing which I got for free. So this is the next product that I ordered from Nykaa. This is the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Nutri Replenish Face Mist. And if you have been following me on my Instagram, you might know that this is a product which I use in every other video of mine. Every time I do a skincare video, this is a product which is always there. I use it on daily basis. I am in love with this product. I have been using it for over a year now, and this is a single product which is there in every other order of mine, whether I'm ordering anything from Nykaa, from Purple, or maybe even from Myntra. So wherever this product is available, and if I'm ordering something from that particular app, it has to be there. This much I love this product. It is beautiful for dry skin people. It soothes, it calms down your skin, it refreshes your skin, it brings that glow on your skin. If you have dry skin, must buy product. This is just amazing. It works wonder on your skin. Do give this product a try. And if you have normal or combination skin, it again has a different variant which is, I guess, in green tea. So if you want to try that one, go for it. I haven't tried that one. I am just using this and this particular variant, and this is just love. So these are the next two products that I ordered. This is the Lakme Lip Love, and these are the two variants that I ordered. This is the apricot variant and this is the mango variant. This one I ordered for my niece because every now and then she comes to me and tells me to apply a lip balm on her lips. So that is why I ordered this particular shade for her, and let me show you how it looks. So this is the mango variant and this is the color. It is a beautiful pink color. It has a pink tint. It looks very pretty on your lips, and it is actually very hydrating also, so a good one. And the next one is the apricot variant, and let me also show you how it looks, the tint. So it has again a pink tint but a bit light from the mango one. So this is the one which I ordered for myself in the apricot variant. So yeah, this is the next product. So this is the next product, which is again a lip product that I ordered. This is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is the one which I'm wearing on my lips right now. So what I did, I prepped my lips with this Nicka K lip oil first, this one, and after this I applied this matte lip shade on my lips. Now the thing is that I wanted a maroon color because I don't own a particular a very maroonish shade, so that is the reason I ordered. Though the shade name is Soft Wine, it was looking something else on the app, and the swatches which I saw of the same lip shade was something different. So it is neither wine, it is nor a maroon color. This looks something else on my lips, I guess red or something of that sort, but it is not what I wanted. But still, because the color is still pretty and the formula is also very beautiful, and that is why I don't mind having it. And I guess I received this particular product for rupees, let me see, 297 rupees. So this was the first time I saw this product on discount. The original MRP of this product is, I don't know, the original MRP of this product is 349 rupees, and I received it for 297 rupees. And I forgot to tell you about the price for the lip balm that I got from Lakme. I got these lip balms for 99 rupees each. So the last thing that I ordered is this. This is the McAfee Naked and Raw Body Polishing Oil, Coffee Body Polishing Oil and Coffee Body Scrub. So this product is something that I have used earlier also, and I liked using it a lot, and that is the reason why I ordered it this time also. And the body polishing oil is something that I did not ever try before. Actually the thing is that they were coming in a combo, so I wanted to try this body polishing oil also, and that is the reason I ordered this combo. And let me tell you for how much I got it for. So the body scrub is for 359 rupees, which is actually good, and the polishing oil is for 356 rupees. So the quantity that you get for both these products is the same: 100 grams of the body scrub and 100 ml of the body oil, which is, I guess, a great deal. So yeah, this is the last product that I ordered. And one more thing is there. So I received this small pouch, a potli of McAfee. So in this potli you get these products, the miniatures of the body scrub and the body polishing oil, and they are just very cute. So yeah, that's that. I received this for free. So that is all for this video. I also shared a mini review for a few of the products that I loved using. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video. I shall see you soon, I guess with another haul video maybe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.